Hi, it's Wendy here again. Now I'm going to read you this story because our theme this week is we love our pets. So I've got some pets. I've got a dog and I really love him. He's called Colin, and this is a dog here, and it's called Some Dogs Do. I don't think my Colin does, but you'll have to see if yours does. When Sid set off for school one day, there's Sid, look, a happy feeling came his way. He started to feel really happy. It filled him up so much he found his paws were lifting off the ground. Without a how, without a why, Sid fell up towards the sky. Oh, woo. Through swirling puffs of cloud, he twirled above a tiny toy town world in the land of the sun and moon, like a doggy-shaped balloon. Look, he's floating along, and down here is his school, look. At school, Sid asked his best friend Ben, "Did you see me fly just then?" "Don't be daft," came Ben's reply. "You're a dog and dogs don't fly." "But I did," said Sid. I did. In the classroom, Sid said, "Hey, guess what? I flew to school today." What are they doing? Look, they're all laughing at him. His classmates giggled, yelped and yowled. "Dogs don't fly to school," they howled. "But I did," said Sid. "I did." Miss Mare, the teacher, shook her head. "Now, Sid, you shouldn't lie," she said. "All dogs walk and jump and run, but dogs don't fly. It can't be done." She drew him a picture on the blackboard, look. And that's the world, and that dogs can only be on the world, not flying above it. "But I did," said Sid. "I did." He looks very sad now, doesn't he? Gus said, "Right, if you can fly, come outside and let's see you try." Sid's happiness has gone by then. He tried to get it back again. He wasn't very happy, so he couldn't fly when he wasn't happy, could he? He thought about the clouds up high, and then he jumped towards the sky. Look, he jumped off. What do you think happened? Fell up. "You see, you're just a dog," said Gus, "with paws for walking just like us." He landed on the ground. "That will teach you not to lie. Now, you know that dogs don't fly." When Sid walked home from school that day, it seemed a long and lonely way. This is his house here, look. Once at home with his mum and dad, deep inside he still felt bad. He did the things he always did, but something wasn't right with Sid. Look, he's not eating his biscuits, and his mum's looking out the window at him. He's just sitting on his swing. His dad came out and asked, "What's up? You seem an unhappy little pup." That's his dad, look. Sid sat staring at the sky, and all he said was, "Dogs don't fly." Sid's dad slowly raised his head. "I know a secret, Sid," he said. "Could you keep it safe inside?" "What's the secret?" Sid replied. And then he turned round and then he knew. Oh, there's his dad. He's telling him a secret. He looks surprised. Let's see what's happening. "Now you know that secret too." Oh, there's Sid's dad. He's flying. And Sid's happy now because he knows that he can fly. His happy eyes were open now. "I knew it. Dogs do fly." His dad looked. Sid's dad said, "Come, fly then, Sid." And that's exactly what Sid did. So he leaped up and he flew up in the air with his daddy. Dogs do fly, it is true. Oh, his mummy's even come up now, look. Some dogs don't, but some dogs do. He knows his secret now, doesn't he? That's a story called Some Dogs Do. I hope you like it. It's one of my favourites. Anyway, I'll see you again soon. Bye.